All right, it's your boy Kwame here, and today I've got another leg workout for you. But it's a pretty cool one. So you guys will see I am wearing mismatched clothing. So today the rule was we had to wear mismatched clothing and very colorful clothing, so we couldn't wear the same or matching colors, or else there was a penalty. So you guys can see me with different shoes on. So I just don't want you guys to think it's pretty weird that I've got different shoes on, but it's pretty cool. We've got legs today, and it's a very, very tough one. Most of the program today follow the same principle. So it's 25 reps, 20, 15, and 10. And yes, this is more of a banner, more high rep stuff. Great exercise for you guys to really feel the pump and really get into the zone of legs, especially if you're not feeling like a leg day as well. This one will really get you in the zone because it's not doesn't start off too hard or too rough. It just really gives you that time to really warm up into the exercise as well. Now, a little trick with these ones is what we can do is when you are going with less reps, you can actually increase the weight as the reps get lower. So imagine doing 25 reps and 20 then 10 reps. Make sure that as you drop down in the amount of reps, you also increase the weight. We've got walking lunges. Obviously you can't increase the weight here, but this is just body weight here. And it's all about trying to ensure with this one that we are getting a nice stretch in and getting that nice, activation and blood in our legs. So this is an awesome workout and an awesome movement to start with. If I was generally doing obviously heavy walking lunges, I probably wouldn't start with this, but this is a great one. I love a lunge in general, and I've told you guys would know if you've been watching my videos how much lunges I think are the best leg exercises. Like, as much as I hate it, I know it's one of the best leg exercises for you, especially when you go weighted with these too. However, what we're doing over here is we're pumping as much blood into our legs, getting them ready for any sort of movement. I love it because, again, it's semi-functional. Or I'll say, in fact, it is quite a functional movement as well too. But it is a great still compound movement because you are hitting every part of your legs, and you can get the most out of simple lunges. So never skip out on lunges. I think it's one of the exercises that you should always keep into your training program as well. So yeah, lunges, guys, make sure you keep it in. But yeah, this was one of the better workouts as well too. And this also was quite non-stop, so there was very minimal rest breaks in between sets, and I like to keep it this way when I'm doing this sort of workout with high reps because it's all about fitting up as much volume into the workout. So that's the whole point of it as well too. So if we're gonna go for that much reps or that many reps, we gotta ensure that our rest break is very short in between to keep that amount of volume continuous throughout the workout. Now, when it comes to training legs specifically, you got your quads, glutes, hamstrings, calves as well. Today we didn't hit calves at all. Our main focus was also a bit of hamstrings and quads. It was such a good workout, and glutes as well. So it was kind of like an overall workout. Throughout the week, I broke up my quads and hamstrings workouts as well too. You guys would have seen me pull a personal best on deadlifts, which was over 300 kilos, and it was fun. Like I'm pretty hyped from it because I'm actually, like, I felt good. I felt the pull was good. I felt my lead up to it was good, and I'm pretty excited to see what I'm gonna pull next week, to be honest. And I'm pretty confident that I'll pull quite heavier next week. So I look forward to it, and I hope you guys stay tuned to see if I pull 30, 40 kilos. I think it's a lot of weight, to be honest. And well, I'm gonna be over the moon if I do. But I'm keeping confident, keeping hopeful, and yeah, hopefully it happens. I can't wait. Can't wait. So I'm looking forward to deadlift day. Also looking forward to squat day to see if I'll squat 290 or 300 kilos. It's gonna be fun. So again, like, I enjoy what I do. I enjoy training. I enjoy training legs. I enjoy doing lunges sometimes, and I hate it some days as well. But it's got to be done. Those are the main things. Now, few people have asked me, so how do you train legs for growth specifically? And people don't understand that when it comes to training legs for growth specifically, it's about actually engaging the muscle. So I think your form and technique is one of the biggest things that you got to focus on while utilizing these movements. So for instance, we've got hip thrust over here. I'm trying to get my glutes engaged. So I'm going for a shorter range of motion here because I'm trying to get some pulse reps in, but also mainly just engage that hip extension motion. Shortening of the reps, but keeping the tension on my glutes. So I know after these reps, my glutes were burning, okay? And then I pulled it up, but when got those pulses and got that squeeze and really, really felt the glutes work. Okay, now this is the top part of the movement. Great exercise over here for just engaging your glutes in general. Even like after doing this, even if after you hear another exercise, you can really engage your glutes. It makes it very easier. And then obviously it went a little bit heavier and still pumping some shorter reps, but explosive and power. And I could feel that my glutes was taking over and doing the whole thing, which was what I really wanted from this workout. Now, there's a different kind of workout. You guys are gonna actually love this one. Just with the dumbbell as well. We've got goblet squats, but we've got very, very controlled reps. Only over 5 seconds up for this one. So this is very good. Nice controlled. Try to keep my my lockout from my foot from my knees from locking out, but I couldn't really help it. So I slightly locked out because I wanted to really keep the tension in the muscle. So I think in my future once I did a better job trying to do that. But over the second set, which was this set, we're coming up over 10 seconds, which is a very long time, I know. And I also try to keep that lockout from happening as much as I can. And this was quite easy, obviously, because I was going at a much slower pace. But damn, the tension on this was hard. It was painful. You could really, really feel the legs really burning. And that's what it's about. You know, I had to really feel that focus, feel that grind, and feel all those muscles working together to get those legs pumping, which was fun. It was good fun, and I really, really enjoyed it, to be honest. But yeah, that's my the start of my leg workout and the end of my leg workout. You guys have seen it all, but today again was my accessory workout. So my mains are usually my deadlift day and my squat day will actually basically break out my hamstrings and quads as well. Guys, if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. I just want to say a big thank you to everyone that's been enjoying my training videos, my daily training videos as well too. And I look forward to putting out much more content for you. If you guys could do me a favor and make sure you watch this to the end, like or share even this if you can. And yeah, and honestly, guys, I really, really appreciate the love and support. Thank you so much. Turn on post notifications so you don't miss out. Follow me, Kwame Duah, on Instagram.